So the RMA side of things.
Oh, that's close enough, man. So that's June 28th.
To see it with my mom.
Oh, no way. That's crazy. I'll tell Steph to send your mom a message after birthday. It's so cute.
I think they're prioritizing it as best as they can.
When's your birthday?
June 13th. Lucky number. I've been tattooed on me. Not lying about the tattoo.
Yeah?
Hey. Rhonda, you want to do a family celebration? Both our names on the
It sounds like they've now prioritized it more on those sides.
candles. Thanks for your help today.
I didn't do much.
Whatever, it was still sick.
Resources so they can get paid by tomorrow. So of course you'd have to talk to them. Yep, Brianne Hoffman, she's the supervisor for the customer care team. So any extra resources.
Oh, you guys are on to me.
Sam and I are working on API transfer rules.
Yeah, well, her too.
Yeah, and then out of those, there's about 40 or so that are already escalated up to ones that we need more special attention to. So that's something that Sam and I tomorrow, John McBurney.
Calculator slash notepad.
And the giant and all that sort of stuff. And then obviously once we've made our way all the way through all these phone calls, then we're going to replace all the orders too. So it's like a progress. Yeah, absolutely. We do have access to the return, which is where Samsung call center and that's where they register all that in itself is one of our problems.
Hi, Judy.
When you look at it from a list,
And you're leaving.
Here in 3 days.
Good. How did your meeting go? Yeah?
separate issues, separate trail,
Because he's very pro-science. Because he's used to trying to find a way. Met them many times. Can't believe tomorrow he knows me. He doesn't know where he is. By the way, remember to buy with what was then yours? He was still impressed nonetheless and made suggestions about how our top auditors. I don't need to get interested in knowing what we're doing to the other side. Even though that was awesome.
How was your lunch?
It was good.
I couldn't find their menu, I told you.
Yes, and just
Did you take a photo? Or was it not appropriate?
like, yeah, they come with, it's almost like drawing a line.
Did he ask?
somebody said to me, you can go on the website. I said, really?
Any new one,
No, I
She said,
tried
I'll be
several.
back on Friday, and I said, somebody needs to see what the menu is all about.
Yeah, I did.
So they have a couple of different types of salads, and they try to have some stir-fried type potatoes.
Okay.
Take a picture of the salad. Yeah, the bottle one. So they have just the but the just the trial salad, not the salad. It's just look at that.
I know.
I had the beef one.
For doing that.
I had the beef
So
one.
do I have to mix in the box then?
Yeah. So what you'll do is you just dump the tomatoes, put the dressing, and cook
Get the beach one. Let's see.
You can do it just before.
These look really good.
Yeah, they're very good. It's spinach and beet and
Yeah, usually 2, 3, 4, 4. Mine is really 2, 3, 4.
Oh, the herb spinach salad you have. That looks really good.
That's me. What?
All of those look good.
yeah, I know, right?
Yummy.
So and
Pretty good pricing too, eh?
decent,
Oh, like
very
that.
decent.
Yeah.
So
Was it busy? Did you need reservations?
We did make a reservation. It wasn't busy over there today, but they'll probably be busy on Friday, so maybe we could do that.
Yeah.
I don't even know if they take reservations
Well,
on
why do you
Friday.
not say?
But regardless,
Horizons that's here.
if you're not in the salad mood,
I.e. sick of salads because that's what I have every single
you
day.
might want something different.
Yeah, I might.
Or, but
That's why I thought the stir fry might be a good option because it's rather healthy, you know? There's lots of veggies in it.
they have a vindaloo.
Yeah.
You know what that is?
Yeah.
They have one of those.
Does it have a lot of sauce?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's
but
hard to say.
Jeff said it was really, really good, but you'd be tasting it all day. Kind of like the chicken. So if you're doing something like that, you're, so it would be with you for the entire day.
Yeah.
I didn't notice the stir fry, to be honest with you.
I'd love to.
Just trying to think. If there was that new.
Yeah, I can just tell. So I guess he didn't know who Brienne was. He was asking me about the RMAs.
Hey, you know what I can do
Prioritize
as
the
well?
list and all
Is
that.
I
I'm
can
like,
still do the same
something you
thing.
need to discuss with Brian Coughlin, not me.
Text you or
I guess he didn't know what my role was. So, in fairness, I haven't been to the meetings
on Friday.
necessarily.
You know what? I have a 1:15 conference call that day.
I just use my names on the emails. That's it.
So I have to, it's going to be short.
Oh well. All right. So if there's stuff that you want me to start doing tomorrow,
Okay, so
when I
then
come in,
do you
because
want
usually I'm
to, do you want to set
ahead
that
of you, I
a
can
little
start
earlier then?
working on stuff. So
If
if there is stuff like that, leave me some kind
Yeah.
of note.
If
Otherwise, I'll just have to wait
text
till you
Sherry
come in.
tomorrow.
For me, I think I will go through the orders now.
If we go
before I
meet
leave.
at 2, then we can come
And
back for
my main priority
noon.
before I come in is for you to
get you back in time to
do
be able to
the-
freshen up and stuff before your call.
check the emails, see if any new emails.
Right.
Good night, everyone.
And if there's an escalation sheet, maybe start off on that.
Yeah.
That would be my only action.
Okay.
Because the orders that I need to credit can be worked on too, but we don't send our first list until 11 o'clock.
Right.
Because then we have like a good bunch of orders to be sent. So those are the only two. So if you don't have those two, then maybe go to checking on orders.
Okay. And then
Taking a photo.
hopefully that is in so that I can dedicate to Samsung.
Yeah,
Right,
that's
too, so.
skill.
Okay. Cool.
See where this goes.
All right.
Have a good evening.
Yeah. We're gonna have to look at this one. That kind of makes what? Wow. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, so
I'm out of here now. Good night.
Bye.
okay, you know what? I think I figured it out. Okay, so when? No, okay, so this one.
3 days.
This one over here is a little bit different. So, yeah, let me. So if you scroll down to the body of the email, there's a picture that Alexander, which is so 5:44 p.m.
They want to charge me $8.95.
And it shows the sum of the amount. you'll see a ebook. Here, I'm gonna forward this to you. I know, this is a lot. Okay, I'm just gonna control V. Control V. Yeah, so that's the one where, okay, see what I just sent over to you? Yeah, so any idea, did you guys touch this order by any chance?
She likes to put herself.
Well, we booked it January 27th. And unfortunately, whoever this person is didn't send, like, there are more columns in there, right? So there will be one that says posted and then one that says column. Now, my guess is that this closed on February 11th and 21st, respectively, right? But for some reason, on May 1st, there was a debook, 7,000 and change, and 250. Okay, that's fine. I can investigate. You send me a summary, right? The thing is, this one over here, it just shows that.
Well, yeah.
So,
Good news.
This is the alternative.
Yes.
We have the student for tomorrow.
Okay.
all right,
We need a spreadsheet,
so I'm gonna drop off.
Orders, yes.
orders, and contacts and the phone numbers
Okay.
so that he can call. So he's going to do
Okay,
most of the call.
thanks, see you back.
Okay.
All right, and then give you guys the information on the orders.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to have him sit right here,
So your favorites.
so he can be close to you guys. All right. So I need from you that spreadsheet,
Yes.
and I need a script,
Okay.
a
And
couple
what's
of bullet points on what to say, and I need some information to get his voicemail. What do you want him to say? Do you want him to leave a message to call you back, or do you want him to leave a message to call?
Yeah, towards back, actually. Makes sense.
Put that in the email as well, and then your contact.
Hi, this is Carlos.
I'll just give the team contact information. Then
Good. Carlos, how are you?
Jason and I. All right.
Right. Absolutely.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, I've contacted a few customers that are like super escalations for that API.
Yeah, I
transfer,
heard
and
Jason
they're-
said we got about 40 of those.
Yeah, so I'm trying to call a few of them to get them off that
Okay,
list.
whatever you don't call,
Won't do, yeah,
Yeah.
the spreadsheet.
right.
I will
Perfect.
try and get that done before I leave.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sam,
Yes.
what time you start at 9:30?
Yeah, you want me to come in?
No, I need you to get that done before you leave tonight so that you can start
So,
it tomorrow
yeah,
morning.
that's the one. So
What time does it come
He
in?
comes in for 9. Yeah,
Okay, if I don't get done, I'll come in early.
you are looking at this.
it's fun.
Because I have